guys, so it's been a while. I planned on having a little bit of a break after I had my daughter earlier this year in January, but I didn't mean for it to become a 10-month break. Becoming a parent was a huge change for me, which I anticipated. I'm a night owl, and that is not really a thing that works well with babies. They tend to get up really early, so I've had to adjust my sleeping. Usually I would stay up really late working on stuff because that's just when I find a lot more, I guess, inspiration or like drive to create, but I can't do that now. So that has been pretty all-encompassing. And then, well, also 2020, I don't think I really need to explain any further on that one. Yeah, I ended up just kind of completely focusing on taking care of Penny for the time being. Slowly, as I got into like the rhythm of taking care of a tiny little baby and not feeling completely overwhelmed with anxiety all the time, and once she started to kind of get her own rhythm as well, I slowly started to start doing projects again. Just for myself. Obviously, I haven't posted anything in a while. I guess on Instagram I post every now and then, so if you follow me on there, you've seen little glimpses of projects that I've done. But it's been pretty nice to make stuff again in my own time without really the pressure of having to make a video. But funnily enough, doing more projects for myself really has made me get the urge again to start making videos. So once I started to get that urge again, I kind of have been recording here and there, but I also have been doing it in more of like a freeform kind of way, like just recording on a whim. So it's not super planned, so editing is probably gonna suck a little bit for me. So I don't know how long it's gonna take for those to get out. And also, since I didn't really have a plan with those videos, I didn't really know how to like come back, and just like, should I upload a video? Or if I should do like what I'm doing now and kind of announce that I'm coming back. So a couple weeks ago, actually, my friend messaged me and asked if I was going to be doing Halloweek this year. I can't believe I didn't think about that, but Halloweek is the perfect time for me to come back, seeing as how my first video that I ever uploaded was for Halloween. I made a little like working key thing for like a toy, but oversized so you can wear it as a costume. I made that for my first video ever. Well, first as like the Cheslin DIY stuff, but then Halloweek has become a thing on my channel where I would do 5 days before Halloween, every day of that week I would do a project. So it would be perfect for me to come back this year. So I decided that I was going to do that. So thank you, Becca. You guys can thank her for inspiring me to come back now. So next week on Monday, I will be starting Halloweek. It's gonna be Monday through Friday. And then obviously Saturday is Halloween, so that works out perfectly, except for the fact that it's 2020 and we're in the middle of a pandemic. So trick-or-treating is going to be a lot different this year. So what a year to have freaking Halloween on a Saturday. Anyway, so for one of these videos, I wanted to do a Q&A. I haven't done one of those in a long time, and I thought that it would be kind of fun to do one, as I come back. You guys probably have a lot of questions for me, and I probably have answers maybe. So comment down below, leave a question, and I will answer it in a video. I think on Friday I'm gonna do the Q&A. So hopefully I get these videos done in time. I kind of decided last minute to actually do Halloweek, so it's a little bit of a crunch for me right now. I always tend to do that to myself for Halloweek. It's funny that this year is no different. But after Halloweek, I'm gonna go back into the mode that I was initially going to start with when I started doing videos again, where I'm not gonna do a video every week. I'm gonna probably do a video every other week. That should give me enough time to create stuff and then edit and whatnot. Who knows, maybe I'll figure out a rhythm and start doing videos every week again. but I don't want to promise that. So, yeah. There's that. I don't know how to end these. These are always so awkward to end. I forgot. So, if you want, then leave a question down below. I will answer it next Friday, right before Halloween. And yeah, I'll see you next week for Halloweek.